Getting your pool back in the correct operation after winter is a very important step. There are a few essential steps to follow before you take a dip and start the season in the best water condition. Ideally, the opening of the pool is done when the water temperature has reached 15 degrees Celsius. The first step is to clean the pool. Start by carefully removing the winter cover, taking care to clean it thoroughly before storing it away ready for next winter. Remove the winterization buoys and the gizmo bottles and store them away securely. Using a pool net, carefully remove the dirt, impurities and clean the pool walls with a suitable stiff pool brush. Clean the water line and the insides of the skimmer openings with the HTH bore clear gel. Clean and reposition the skimmer baskets. Then vacuum the bottom of the pool with a good quality pool vacuum cleaner. Turn the power supply back on. Take this opportunity to check the proper functioning of your installations, such as the electrical panel, the filter and the pump. The second step is to clean the filter. Clean and descale the filter with the HTH Filter Wash filter cleaner if you did not do so when you winterized the pool. Then fill your pool halfway up the skimmer openings, taking care so not to immerse them completely and let the filtration system run continuously. The third step, prevent phosphates. Phosphates come from all living organisms. They can be brought by rainwater, plant waste, urine, but also makeup water. They are an excellent food for algae, so it is important to keep their concentration below 10 grams per square meter of water. Then, if necessary, dose HTH antiphosphates according to the instructions for use. The fourth step is to analyze the water. The analysis is a crucial step to keep the water healthy and pleasant throughout the season. During the season, analyze the water every week with a pool test kit. The fifth and last step, treat your pool. Start by balancing the water, which will greatly assist in the action of the treatment products. Always adjust the alkalinity first. The TAC, or total alkalinity, measures the content of mineral salts. It must be kept between 80 and 140 milligrams to limit pH variations. If your TAC is too low, readjust it with the HTH alkanol. Then balance the HP level. A well-balanced pH minimizes irritation for a more pleasant bathing experience. It will also help protect your pool surfaces and equipment from corrosion. The pH should be maintained between 7 and 7.4. A pH which is too high reduces the effectiveness of the disinfectant, makes the water cloudy, and may help towards a limestone appearance on the walls of the pool surface. A pH which is too low can cause eye and skin irritation, leads to corrosion of metal parts of the pool surfaces, degradation of the tile grouting on the formation of faults on liners. If necessary, readjust the pH with HTH PA+ powder to increase the pH level, or HTH PA- microballs to lower the pH level. Then perform a shock treatment using HTH shock. HTH shock is a non-stabilized chlorine based on high-strength calcium hypochlorite. It is also the best solution for catching up on green water as it avoids frequent water changes. This stage oxidizes the organic matter that has developed during the winter. Your filtration system must be kept running for at least 24 hours. It will help restore the water's clarity and cleanliness and prevent the formation of microorganisms after heavy use. Now you can enjoy your pool with peace of mind, but don't forget to use HTH products for regular disinfection and to control the pH level of the water at least once a week. Have a great summer season from HTH.